I would suck his for that tank right now. I'd keep it on and then let him film it.
I literally, you lock your front door but not the slider?
Why, the slider open?
Oh yeah.
That was me.
Okay. Good job, bro. Get early. In the van. We're late.
I was early.
We're late. In the van.
Hey, Billy.
Hey, buddy.
In the van.
What's up? Good morning.
Good morning.
Billy, in the back. Paul's gonna sit in here when he gets here. Just get in
Is
position.
Paul
Called you like 1,000 times.
22 times.
22 times.
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
I
I
knocked
think
on
I
the
was
door.
sabotaged.
You think you were what?
Sabotaged.
You think she sabotaged you?
I think so.
Like legitimately?
No, but I didn't wake up at all until I heard
I'm aware.
till your phone call.
That's crazy that it took 21 of them for it to
Do you normally silence your phone?
Yeah.
vibrate.
Yeah.
Well, whatever. So then I was like so I knocked on the front door a couple times.
That's fucking hilarious.
And I was like, oh, what the fuck is the move here? So then I go outside to the slider, and the slider opened. So
yeah, that's me.
So I just stuck my head in and kept going, Craig, Craig. Because I was like, your bedroom's right there. I was like, should I go over there and knock on the door?
Should I go lay in bed with them?
I was like, is that weirder than honking outside? Like, what's the move here?
I don't know. It's all right.
And then I was like, oh, I could go around to your bedroom windows and knock on that, but I didn't want to wake her up.
Yeah, that's the
Because
difference.
then it's going to be a whole thing. You're going to have to make her breakfast. You know, you're going to have to fucking plug in all the video games for the kids. You know, you're going to have, look at this guy.
Look at that guy.
Swap meet.
This tire is
We are so fucking late.
This tire is not comfortable.
You're not gonna be able to buy anything. It's all gonna be sold.
Dude, we're so late. I'm not even going to be able to get dunks. We're going to have to cut dunks off the list.
Nope.
We're going to have to cut dunks right off the fucking list. Which one is he?
That one.
This one right here?
That one.
There he is!
Did you call him already?
Yeah, of course, dude. I called him fucking when
22
I left your
times?
house.
Call him 22 times?
All I had to call, I called Paul once.
Are we in, like?
Craig, I called you too. So
Did you?
Number is me. Yeah.
I was gonna
I didn't
call
even
Melissa.
realize that.
I was
944-2256. That's me.
You FaceTimed me.
Yeah, FaceTime audio.
Who the fuck? What's up? You can't even hear a FaceTime ring, dude. You got cracked, Paul.
I don't know what happened.
I know.
I thought I'd be the one to
You gotta put your seatbelt on, or it's not never gonna stop beeping.
There's a fucking local scum sleeping on the fucking side of the fucking store.
Nah.
Yeah.
Local scum. I'm gonna run this fucking guy over behind us.
If he wants to vent, hey.
What's up, dog?
How are you?
Good, you? Slashing prices.
Flashing prices?
Slashing prices.
All right, Tim.
What do we got going on here?
Come on.
Hey, Craig. Your favorite tin set right there.
Where?
Oh, the shovel.
Oh, I don't want that. I don't want that.
What up, boy?
Hey.
A little on it. Morning. Nice.
I said there's a fender there.
Stepping over everything.
I told the guy $60. What's this 60? This one here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a cool one.
Oh, shit. Dude.
You like that, right?
I do. Oh my god.
Where the knuckle case is at?
Where the molded frames at?
Where the molded frames at? Where the cheetah Sissy boys at? Where the big seats at?
Where the hot dogs at?
Yo, dog, they haven't even started the griddle up yet, baby.
No damage to styrofoam. It's gonna go back in.
I know. Okay, I gotta bring it back to my fucking shop. No one's gonna buy shit.
You know what I realized though is like this. There's no people that come here to buy shit. It's just vendors buying off vendors here.
That's how every swap meet is ever. Period. It's us buying from each other, and we're all cocksuckers.
And we just raise the prices on each other every year. You know?
Yeah.
That you were supposed to finish.
I will finish it.
3 months ago.
I'm having a kid in like a couple weeks.
That's
so,
cool.
Yeah.
Dave, you don't even look pregnant.
Yeah, I know, right? I hide it well.
I want to send you like baby gifts.
Yeah, please don't.
Why?
I mean, you can. You have my
Bro,
address.
am an excellent father, actually.
I believe you, okay?
And I got
that boy over there is a pillar of the community.
I didn't try that one. I did not birth that one.
Yeah, I know, but you at least weaned him.
I met him. He was already in Cub Scouts.
He was already
not
lighting fires
smoking
and
drugs.
killing animals.
But listen, you're gonna learn all about the swaddle, buddy.
Oh yeah, the wife's been telling me all about the swaddle.
These children, they like to be wrapped up like a burrito. Makes them feel safe.
What'd you fucking buy, dude? Did you really buy a guitar?
Obviously.
Hey,
Boy can't play a goddamn lick.
Oh, you don't know how to play guitar?
Fuck no, he doesn't know how to play
You
guitar.
can't learn how to play guitar until you buy one.
What do you think I've been doing?
Prove it. Prove it.
I've never seen someone spend so much time playing a guitar and not have any idea what he's doing with it.
That's right. Show what's up.
Alright, let me go grab the rest of it.
You bought more guitar stuff?
Came with an amp.
It did?
Yeah, dude, what the fuck? We're making noise today.
You're a fucking
Yeah,
walking
sure
home.
is.
Hey, you better figure out how to play that thing quick. Alright, everybody go to throwauction.com. We want you to click the link right here. Click the link in the description. Go there, buy your hardtails, buy your sissy bars, buy your oil tanks, okay? This episode is brought to you by Throttle Addiction, like all of our other episodes. So go there and get after it. Throttleaddiction.com.
Be a part of it.
Be a throttle addict.
Yeah.
How much was that?
Huh?
How much was that?
$100 for an amp.
What kind of guitar?
Acoustic electric.
Bro, you don't be spending money like this. You don't have a job and you're on fucking probation.
Just got a job. That's where I got the $100 from.
What are you gonna throw in if I buy both of them?
This entire pile of wheels.
You got a truck, right?
Yeah, I
I'll
get
take
it.
like one or two.
That'd be cool. That'd be cool. Yeah, well, your choice. Dealer's choice. Your file. I'll give you $100 for him.
This cheese is
I know you would do that.
I know you would. 125.
You could just give me 200.
I don't want to give you 200, Josh. Sal will.
No, he won't. I wouldn't give him the one in the corner you offered. I'm a cheap bastard.
I'm trying to sell all those $400 to somebody. Buy them. Buy them. $300. That was something happened with that. That probably shouldn't be the one in the front.
Something happened with that.
This one should be back here like this. Some of that spare tire cover.
You got some of those too, huh? I think everyone has some of those. They don't work.
They will work.
No. Nope.
You've never fully finished a motorcycle in your fucking life.
I have.
All right? No.
Several.
No.
Several.
No.
I ride them around.
No.
Those don't work.
No.
Everyone wants them to work. Fine.
Ubar.
Again,
Give me an offer.
Those are fast.
How much you want?
Those are
I want
fast.
$80.
I'll give you 50.
Okay. Hard negotiations today.
I'll pay you on Tuesday and shit.
Craig's filming me, man. I feel like I'm in so
Later.
much pressure
Later.
right now.
What
Do you want
what
to walk
you say?
away?
So much pressure. Here's the deal.
Okay. You want me to take that
Do you
bike
want to
with
turn
us?
this off?
Do we have to pause the camera?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Billy?
Dude, I just got finessed out of a fucking cheap guitar. I don't know why they're gonna sell people guitars that don't work, but I'm going to get my money back right now. That's what I'm about to
I
do.
can't wait to watch this.
Sorry about that, man.
It's all good, man.
I appreciate it. Yep. Have a good one, guys. See, all you gotta do is be nice.
You're such a nice guy. For a guy with no job, you're such a nice
I
guy.
have a job, Craig.
Okay, sorry.
I mean, I don't know if I have the job, but we're gonna find out in a couple days, actually.
Well, I wish you luck.
Spring when I get back, I want to put a lift in the garage. So I'll reach
What
out.
is that?
Brent gave it to me.
That's a gift.
Is that a stone?
Yeah.
How much you want for it, bro? Not a lick. How much?
Look at it for a little
I like it. How much? I'll trade you like all those toolboxes for
I don't
it.
want any of that shit.
Well, you ain't getting the tank.
You know what I want.
You ain't getting it.
Come on.
It ain't
Man,
happening.
does anyone have that Rush you guys phone number though?
It ain't
Seriously?
happening. Come here.
He might.
Come on.
All right?
Fucking-
Listen.
Let's
Do you
work
have the
something
Russian
out.
guys'
We
phone
can't.
number?
We can't. There will not be any working
Let's
out of
do
it.
some kind of fucking working out
I don't
here.
think that's gonna
I love
happen.
this.
Let's do a little deal, you know? Little,
Would you bring your own coffee?
I got my little mug here, you know, I have a lovely ladies' stick concession stand, fill it up for me.
Put your shroom tech in there?
Yeah, oh yeah. I got all
Shroom
sorts of,
All sorts
I
of
got all
stuff.
sorts of drugs.
Tinctures.
I mean, I just figured I would try to romance you.
I know, I
How's that
appreciate
for
that.
drugs,
That's
though?
all.
The dick ones are cool.
We could
I
bump them
got
together.
a dick. I don't need any more dicks. Got one already. It's good enough.
Yeah.
It could be better, but it's good enough.
They all can be better, you know. They can all be better. Unless you're Craig. Craig's It's all set, you know, he's all set.
Would you rather have a 44-inch dick or a 4-inch dick?
4-inch.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah.
But think about this. You
44-inch dick?
You could cut it down.
What do you mean you could cut it down? That's not how that works.
That's not a fucking tree.
I think if you got hard, you'd pass out.
All the blood would go to that.
Yeah.
Where do you hide it in your pants, too?
And then think,
You don't hide it. You keep that out, dude. You show it
pass
off.
out.
You show it off.
4-inch dick. A lot.
Well, yours is 4 inches around.
Right.
So it's like, yeah.
stout.
Yeah. It's about 1.5 inches long and then 4 inches round.
Diameter.
Yeah, the diameter.
Fucking stout.
Stout. Yeah.
Showed life.
Showed life.
Yeah.
They look like those DCs right there.
I have
much is- how much is-
It's not.
How much?
It's not.
But if it could be bought.
No, it's not. I don't want. No.
How many hundreds?
No. You don't want it.
Come on, let me touch
You don't
it.
want it. Touch it. Do whatever you need to do.
Let me feel it.
It's good, right?
Now that I touch it, it's not as cool. as I
It's
thought.
okay. That's what I like to hear.
a little cool.
It's like when you get to have sex with a really hot chick and you're like, she's not that.
And you're like, it's not as good as I thought it was gonna be.
You had to have sex with a chick?
Once.
That's
There was one time.
Oh,
It
dude,
was
they've
cool.
seen the inside of that van, dude, and they want
It
back
was
in.
cool.
And they want back in, dude.
I would suck his dick for that tank right now. I'd keep it on and I'd let him film it.
We'd be demonetized so fast.
But
OnlyFans.
what's important is if you get hard, you're a fag.
That's true. That is true.
If I suck your dick, I'm just getting a
You're
tank.
just getting a gas. Yeah, you're just doing a service.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
So-
I've been hard for an hour.
The real test of a man is to remain flaccid
That's right.
while another man blows
True.
you. Right?
That is true. That's the true. The only test of a man. The only test. What do you think was on the top of this?
Probably something cool.
Probably something way cooler than what the Sissy bar actually is. It's like, do you have any?
No,
You got rid of all of it.
pretty much.
Do you do any drugs ever?
So I like a little weed.
That's it.
Travis
I used to be like a drink.
Travis used to tour with the dead.
Yeah, I used to tour with the dead. Just do shrooms, acid,
Getting after it.
fucking whippets.
Oh yeah.
That when it was like you would go get the cartridges though, and like
Nitrous.
at like Crate and Barrel.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Just fucking do acid in like high school, in school.
Really?
Oh yeah,
That's an epic.
yeah. I was good at drugs.
I was doing like acid like every day like a year and a half ago. But like a small amount of it. Like enough to like get like high. You know, you could still do stuff. Like, you
function.
still ride your motorcycle and do construction work.
Construction work.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Let's get the fuck out.
It's time to leave.
It's time to go. Okay? It's just time. When it's time, it's time.
I've never seen you move with such haste. You might be the worst guy. You can't like wait 40 minutes.
Why you gotta do that? You guys want me to smoke cigarettes in here?
I don't want you to smoke, period.
Oh, Mom.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Yeah. Still listen to that. Just been listening to that the whole drive.
I'm done. All right. Fuckers.
You know?
Did everyone have a good day?
Did everybody have a fun swap meet?
Fuck yeah.
Dick all day. Out all day.
Hey, relax.
Yeah, what are you doing?
With all that. I'm gonna smash that guitar. Let me get out of this van. That guitar's getting smashed. Shall we like and subscribe?
I think time to like and
It's
subscribe.
time to like and subscribe, guys. Swap meet. Like and subscribe to swap meets. Like and subscribe to life. Like and subscribe to all the things motorcycle related.
Wow. No. No.
Stop. Do not like and subscribe to that, okay? I'll
No.
beat you with your own fucking music book. Like and subscribe to the internet. Like and subscribe to life. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Patreon, the website, parts. Like and subscribe.
Thralladdiction.com.
Okay? Like and subscribe. Tim Lepore, like and subscribe. All right? Ladies, he's looking. Hit him up. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to that, Tim.
That's
huh?
right.
Huh?
Oh,
Oh,
God.
And subscribe. Yeah, you like that? Give me some on top. Yeah. Oh yeah, you beat this dick. How about that?
I'll end it right now.
My nightmare.